In this video, we're going to talk about assignment operators. They are used to assign values to variables. We've been using the equal sign, which is the assignment operator, to assign the value on the right to the variable on the left, but you can combine the assignment operator with arithmetic or bitwise operators to perform an operation. Bitwise operators are a little bit of a more advanced concept that we're not really going to cover in this series. And each time one of these assignment operators performs an operation, it assigns the result back into the variable. So with the addition assignment, it adds the value on the right to the variable on the left. With subtraction assignment, it subtracts the value on the right from the variable on the left. With multiplication assignment, it multiplies the variable on the left by the value on the right. With division assignment, it divides the variable on the left by the value on the right. Floor division assignment, floor divides the variable on the left by the value on the right. And if you remember, that returns a whole integer with the decimals removed. The modulus assignment operator computes the remainder of the variable on the left divided by the value on the right. And the exponentiation assignment raises the variable on the left to the power of the value on the right. And if we jump into the development environment, you'll see that I have created a number variable equal to 5, and down here I'm outputting the number. So before I actually start outputting this, I want to perform some kind of assignment operators on it. We'll start by doing the addition assignment operator. So I will do number plus equals, and I'm going to add 5 to it. So now when I output this, it's going to take this variable, add 5 to it, and then return that value back into the variable. And when we output this, we'll see that we get 10. Now the reason for even doing this is because it is a shorthand way of typing this right here. So rather than having to type all this out where you're typing the variable name twice, you just shorten it to the variable and then the assignment operator and then the value. So the next one is the subtraction assignment operator. So if I subtract 5 from our number here, we're going to get the output 0. And then if we multiply 5 by 5, we're going to get 25. And if we use the division assignment operator, we'll get 1. And if we use the floor division, and let's change this to 2, we will get 2. Because 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, but floor division removes the decimal place and returns the whole integer. Then we have the modulus assignment operator, which is going to return the remainder. So 5 divided by 2 is 2 with a remainder of 1, and we will get the output of 1. And finally, we have the exponentiation assignment operator, which is going to raise 5 to the power of 2. And when I run that, we'll see that we get 25 as the output. The addition assignment and multiplication assignment operators also work on sequence types to perform concatenation and repetition. So I'm going to go ahead and show that too. I'm going to create a new variable called my_string. And I'm going to set it to the value of hello, and I'm going to put a space in there. And then for the addition assignment operator, I'm going to type my_string plus equals, and then a new string of world. And when I print my string to the console, it's going to concatenate these two together and output hello world. And if I wanted to repeat this string for whatever reason, I would use the multiplication assignment operator, which is the asterisk equals. And let's say I wanted to repeat hello 10 times. I would do times equal 10. And when I run this, we'll see that we get the output hello 10 times.